Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northwest and north-central Washington. Day 1, this morning and afternoon, a powerful Pacific jet stream will bring colder temperatures and mostly cloudy skies this morning and afternoon. Days 2 through 3, Tuesday and Wednesday, severe winter storms can develop in the mountains, with gusty winds reaching speeds of up to 52 miles per hour. Storms will intensify on Wednesday afternoon with heavy snow expected in the western mountains, and colder temperatures can be expected in the Seattle area, then warmer all areas on Friday morning with the passage of the system. Spotter activation statement: spotter activation will not be needed today or tonight. The record high for today is 69, set in 1994, and the record low is 10, set in 2003. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from Monday morning until early Tuesday morning. Winds becoming northeast and increasing to 28 to 43 miles per hour with gusts 56 miles per hour or higher. Timing: a powerful Pacific jet stream may bring strong damaging winds to the surface Monday afternoon and Tuesday morning. Impacts: winds of this magnitude can bring down scattered trees and power lines, resulting in power outages. These winds may also make difficult travel conditions for high-profile vehicles. A high wind watch means the potential exists for strong damaging winds to develop. These winds can bring down scattered power lines and cause minor property damage. In the event a high wind warning is issued, stay inside and away from windows. Be prepared for trees blocking roads and power outages. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. Special weather message for the following counties: in northwest Washington, King, Kitsap, and Mason. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from Monday morning until early Tuesday morning. Winds becoming northeast and increasing to 28 to 43 miles per hour with gusts 56 miles per hour or higher. Timing: a powerful Pacific jet stream may bring strong damaging winds to the surface Monday afternoon and Tuesday morning. Impacts: winds of this magnitude can bring down scattered trees and power lines, resulting in power outages. These winds may also make difficult travel conditions for high-profile vehicles. A high wind watch means the potential exists for strong damaging winds to develop. These winds can bring down scattered power lines and cause minor property damage. In the event a high wind warning is issued, stay inside and away from windows. Be prepared for trees blocking roads and power outages. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. For this morning, expect gusty winds. Winds will increase over the mountains this afternoon and after midnight tonight. Temperatures will drop to the mid-20s tonight and can become colder from wind gusts. Winter weather message for the following counties: in northwest Washington, Mason, Jefferson, and Grays Harbor. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a wind chill watch, which is in effect from Monday morning until Tuesday afternoon. Wind chill will fall 10 degrees below the forecasted low and can potentially drop below zero Tuesday evening from strong wind gusts. Timing: temperatures will begin falling this morning. Impacts: frostbite and hypothermia can occur if precautions are not taken. Winds: northwest winds will increase to 23 miles per hour with gusts at 49 miles per hour Tuesday morning. Temperatures will fall into the single digits tonight, and can plunge to 3 degrees below zero early Tuesday morning. A wind chill watch is issued when wind chills will cause a significant drop in temperature to the single digits or colder for a period of several hours. If you will be outdoors, dress warmly and be sure all exposed skin is covered to prevent frostbite. If possible, avoid long exposure to cold temperatures to prevent frostbite and hypothermia. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for the latest information. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcasting 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service office in Seattle. This station serves the Seattle metro area on stations KHB 60 on 162.55 MHz. The 9 a.m. observations around northwest and north-central Washington. Seattle-Tacoma Airport was mostly cloudy with light snow. The temperature was 31. The winds were northeast at 20. The relative humidity 53%. Evergreen Sky Ranch Airport, mostly cloudy with temperatures at 39. The winds were east at 15. The relative humidity 48%. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a winter storm watch, which is in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday afternoon. In northwest Washington, this includes the counties of King, Jefferson, Messon, and northern Grays Harbor. A Pacific jet stream will track across the Seattle area this morning and tomorrow afternoon. Snow accumulations 3 to 4 inches are possible this evening. Timing: snowfall rates will increase this afternoon and into tonight. Impacts: snow accumulations will make traveling conditions potentially hazardous. Plants left outdoors may die from cold temperatures. A winter storm watch means that weather is favorable to the development of severe winter weather, including heavy snow and freezing rain, with ice accumulations that may impact travel in the area. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for the latest information.
This NOAA weather station is experiencing technical difficulties. Please tune to other stations serving your local area. This NOAA weather station is
This is a winter weather message for the following counties in northwest Washington. This includes the
The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 9:25 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Winds, northeast at 27 to 31 miles per hour with gusts up to 49 or 51 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds are expected to impact the region this afternoon. Impacts: winds of this magnitude will result in downed trees and scattered power outages and damage to vehicles parked under trees. Minor property damage is also expected, especially to outdoor decorations. Travel in high-profile vehicles will be difficult, especially on elevated roadways or bridges. A high wind warning means that a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of 27 to 31 miles per hour with gusts up to 49 or 51 miles per hour can lead to property damage. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 9:26 a.m. to 9:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Locations: Grays Harbor and Mason counties. Hazard: heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 10 to 15 inches are expected within developing snow bands. Winds: northeast at 28 to 31 miles per hour with gusts at 52 to 59 miles per hour. Temperatures can drop into the low 20s by this morning, and can drop lower from strong wind gusts. Visibility: 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: the strongest winds and heaviest snow will occur this afternoon, and into early Tuesday morning. Impacts: heavy snow and strong winds will make for dangerous travel conditions with visibilities near zero. Whiteout conditions can occur in some areas. Scattered tree limbs and power lines will be downed, resulting in minor power outages. A blizzard warning means that severe winter weather is expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow will result in strong winds and poor visibility, making travel extremely dangerous and nearly impossible at times. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. If you must travel, keep winter survival kit with you. In the event that you are stranded, stay with your vehicle at all times.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northwest and north-central Washington. For today and tonight, a blizzard warning is in effect for Grays Harbor and Mason counties. Heavy snow and strong wind gusts can make travel extremely dangerous, with near whiteout conditions at times, especially along and northeast of U.S. Interstate 101. These winter storms will slowly push northeast over the northwestern mountains of Washington before moving into the Seattle area by Tuesday afternoon, bringing total snow accumulations of 10 to 15 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 19 inches by Thanksgiving Day. Avoid travel if possible. If you must travel, keep a winter survival kit with you, including medical supplies and a battery-powered radio. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle at all times. A wind chill watch is in effect for the following counties. In northwest Washington, this includes the counties of Mason, Jefferson, and Grays Harbor. Strong wind gusts of up to 51 miles per hour with blowing snow will bring for a rapid temperature decrease this afternoon. Temperatures may drop into the single digits or colder from strong wind gusts Tuesday evening. Prolonged exposure to cold temperatures will result in frostbite. If you are outdoors, dress warmly and be sure all exposed skin is covered to prevent frostbite. A blizzard warning is in effect for the following counties. In northwest Washington, this includes the counties of Grays Harbor and Mason. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Visibility: 1/4 or less at times. Heavy snow and strong winds will make for hazardous traveling conditions, with whiteout conditions at times. Scattered tree limbs and power lines will be down, resulting in minor power outages. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. If you must travel, keep a winter survival kit with you. In the event you are stranded, stay with your vehicle at all times.
This is a civil emergency message at the request of the Mason County Emergency Management. Travel is nearly impossible due to whiteout conditions and strong wind gusts. Scattered trees have been downed, resulting in power outages and blocked roadways. Emergency services are not able to reach stranded motorists. If possible, avoid travel. If you must travel, keep a winter survival kit with you. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Stay with your vehicle at all times. Repeating, travel is extremely dangerous and nearly impossible due to whiteout conditions. Stay inside unless absolutely necessary.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Grays Harbor County Emergency Management. Strong winds of 34 miles per hour associated with the forming winter storm have been impacting the area for the past 20 minutes. All residents of Grays Harbor and Jefferson counties are asked to seek shelter in an interior room away from windows. Wind gusts of up to 52 miles per hour can cause structural damage to buildings and outdoor decorations. Seek shelter now. Go to the most interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, such as a basement, closet or hallway. Have a battery-operated radio with you in the event of a power outage.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Jefferson County Emergency Management. The Jefferson County Emergency Management has issued a law enforcement warning due to extremely hazardous travel conditions. The Jefferson County Emergency Management is placing roadblocks on all roadways leading in and out of the county. No one is permitted to drive on any roadways unless absolutely necessary. These roadways will be reopened when the winter storm passes. Remain indoors. You put your life at risk by venturing outdoors. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a flash flood warning for King County in northwestern Washington, Kitsap County in northwestern Washington, until 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated severe winter weather and heavy snow producing flash flooding along the Puget Sound Bay. 2 to 3 inches of snow have accumulated and have run off into the Puget Sound Bay. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Seattle, Des Moines, Dash Point, and Shore Acres. Additional snowfall amounts from 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area, contributing to flooding as well. Continue to monitor NOAA Weather Radio for the latest information.